Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
In this video, I'm just going to show how to stop a TM. If you are typing a TM, it's automatically changed to trademark symbol. How to stop this? For an example, I'm just going to type as TM and I'm making a space. It automatically changes to a trademark symbol. So I don't want this thing to be happen on my Google Docs document. You just need a shortcut here. This is actually a shortcut. You just click on the tool option here. Then you just go to click on the preference here. Then you can see two options called general and substitution. You just click on the substitution and here there is a automatic substitution. You can turn it off. It will off everything, every shortcut that had been made here, or you can turn it off for a particular thing. For an example, here the enable the following substitution has been turned on for TM. I just need to turn it off, just untick it, then click on the OK. Now you just type as TM, so nothing will be happen. You can type anytime, anywhere. So you can insert the symbol from a insert option from a special character. So you just type as T or trade mark. Trade actually it's come here. So like this you can easily insert this symbol. You don't want any shortcut because every time we don't want the symbol. So we just need to type as TM. It's easy. So I think this video helped you a lot, and if it is helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more videos about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.